Let's make this hand fan quickly. We need a semicircle. Any measurement you like is fine. I'm going to be using a semicircle to draw two semicircle patterns with any hard material you can lay your hands on. I'm using hard felt right here. By the time I finish tracing, I pick a scissors and I just cut out the shapes. This is it, and we're going to be picking a Chinese hand fan skeleton, and we'll dismantle it and start arranging it on this semicircle right here. This is how we're going to be arranging it. I like to mention that you should do it in whatever style you feel like, but this is what I'm working with. So I'm going to be putting this sticks from the fan all over until I'm satisfied. Now, at any point, you can choose to leave this fan like that. I could have left this fan like this. I could have decided to add more or not add more. Whatever it is I choose will still come out really well, but I just wanted it to be full and I kept adding. This is the finished work, and I'm going to start adding whatever it is I'm going to use to cover it. So this is the first fabric I'm going to be using. I put it at the first base. This is absolutely optional, but I choose to do it, and I put it on it like that. After doing the back, I'm going to do the front. I cover it with the same fabric. By the time I'm done fixing it, just make sure that the gum you're putting on those spikes are not so much so that it doesn't smear. By the time you finish it, use your hand to pat it down and make sure it stays put. Grab a scissors and trim it off. Trim it very well and make sure that all the edges are neat. By the time we finish trimming it, we're going to take a white fabric, which is the main fabric for this particular fan, and just cover it right here. Use the same method and just put the fabric on top of it like that. Use your hand to pat it down, trim, turn the back, and put the fabric again to cover the other side, so that at the end of the day we have, something really perfect. After doing that, trim up the excess fabric out of it, trim out the sides. Make sure you do a perfect trim so that there will be nothing left outside. This is what we have by the time we finished, and we decided that okay, let's use a strip. I use a strip to cover it up. Feel free to use anything you like, or even leave it like that if you feel like it's still going to work. So by the time I finished, I just trim it out. Use this strip to actually cover it so that all the rough edges from that other strip will be perfectly covered. That's the front right there. I do the back, did both of them, and then close it up at that edge so that the roughness will still not show. Cut off the excess, and this is what we have. But we're not done. You can leave it like this, but you can still decide to do what I'm doing. I added stones around it just to give it a lift, and this is how I'm arranging the stones right here. As you can see, feel free to arrange it however you feel like. And to fix it, I'm just going to use my glue gun to put the gum at the back of the stone, place it where I want to place it, and this is what it looks like. I know this video was rushed. If you want a more detailed description of what happened in this hand fan, this same exact video but a more detailed tutorial, just check the description or the comment of this video. If this video was useful to you in any way, do let me know. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.